70,000 years ago, the modern humans left Africa, starting the greatest odyssey of our species. Spreading into every continent, every climate, humans conquered every corner of the globe. Through the many conditions that our ancestors had to surmount, we adapted our way of living and developed a bunch of ways to interpret what's around us. In the modern day, this diversity of ideas history, color, beliefs, sensations, language, and faces forge an identity in each one of us. However, for each difference, we created thousands of ways to divide ourselves. But the truth is, we are not different. We are all shaped by our past, by the encounters that happened hundreds of thousands of years ago. As a result, our species are a mosaic of different types of human beings, united by the same genetic origin. As human beings, we share 99% of our DNA being offspring of a single human. Nevertheless, after the descendants of this individual spread throughout the world, their DNA was modified by the environment in a process named mutation. Over the time, the random combinations by the crossing between the many populations of the world created an enormous genetic diversity. Now, we can look into our own genes and see the evidence of this hybridization, discovering as well how our DNA connects us to the world. Through a DNA test, it's as simple as taking a saliva sample and sending it to the labs, where it will be decoded until finding coincidences that reveal our migratory trail. Whenever I know, my family has always been in the same country, but after researching, I discovered that my paternal surname actually comes from the Navarre region of Spain. It also belongs to a variety of groups denominated Sephardi, an ethnic group that in the 15th century got expelled from the Iberian Peninsula and spread it out all over North Africa and Europe. By my mother's side, my second surname came in America directly in the first travels of Christopher Columbus. It got introduced by the conqueror Alonso Cristobal Quintero, who established colonies for the Spanish crown along the Andes. It is also known in my family that my great-great-grandparents were black people, and surely slaves taken from West Africa. Knowing this, it was time to unlock my past and let my DNA inspire my future.